Welcome to our start guide for debugging I3C with the MSO3124V. In this video, we'll show you how to perform I3C electrical validation. Let's begin by opening the DSO software. First, disable any unused channels. You can also right-click on the label to disable it. Next, set a suitable record length. To adjust the horizontal scale, simply place your mouse on the screen and scroll the wheel. Add an I3C decode by selecting the protocol and configure decode settings as needed. Set the appropriate threshold. Also set the trigger for I3C. You can either choose a simple trigger from the left-hand menu or specify an address and command. Now let's begin the electrical validation process. First, make sure you set the correct voltage and speed mode. Next, configure the decode and trigger settings if needed. Finally, the validation parameters. Under SDR mode, you'll find 4 parameter tables: frequency, I3C open drain timing, I3C push-pull timing, and voltage. Explore these tables to view or modify each testing parameter as needed. Once you're ready, move to the electrical validation section and start the analysis process. Allow the system to capture enough data before stopping the analysis. Now, review the report. Look for parameters that didn't meet the specifications, and click on them to view the associated waveform. Finally, save your report as an HTML file for easy access and future reference. The HTML report provides a clear summary of all testing parameters, including a bar chart showing how well each signal performed against the standards. The MSO3124V supports electrical validation for 8 different protocols, making it an essential tool for comprehensive signal analysis. For more information, visit our website.